the important point is, in the data can we see what cannot be seen. In communication, as they say, good listeners are those who can hear what is not spoken. Good listeners are those who can hear what is not spoken, are more effective as communicators. Therefore, in data analysis, can we see what is not evident when you look at the data first time? The more you can do it, the more you will be successful. Recently, I was reading a article somewhere where they were talking of some detective in England who caught a murderer based on an English phrase that a person had used amongst a group of people who were suspects. The phrase he used was, instead of saying don't come back, he had said please remain there. Now, this please remain there is pure English which is spoken by people from one particular area of United Kingdom, and there was only one person from that particular area of United Kingdom, and that was the cue through which the detective could pinpoint the murderer. So, see how you have, that is information, that is data. So, that detective could see what others could not see. Are we clear? They say statistics is like a bikini. What it reveals is suggestive and what it conceals is vital. And you need to really have X-ray vision for looking at statistics closely. Seriously, Basant, I hope you will agree with me. He is the man wizard with numbers. So, why I thought I should put this up is, data on a face value can present a certain picture. When you look at other intricacies within the data, you may get a picture which is different, right. Second question we need to ask is, are we looking for trends or are we looking for absolute conclusions? Let us say 50 crores of revenues for DJ in July 2014 is an absolute figure. 51 crore in June 2014, we are getting into the trend, and let us say 49 crore in July 2013. So, let us say person X who is accountable for DJ's overall revenue, and these are the three data that you capture. How will you rate his performance in July 2014? This is not against target, his performance, good, bad, not so good. So, if you look at only the first point, it gives you a number, but the moment you look at it in comparison to two other points, it gives you a little different picture. So, he has declined from June, which has 1 day less in the month as compared to July. That is the first thing. See that 1 day less in the month is an important insight that you have to keep in mind. In June in 30 days he has scored 51 crores. In July in 31 days he is scoring 50 crores. So, in a way there is a decline in performance from June to July. However, as compared to last year, there is a marginal increase, 49 to 50 crores. Now, if this increase is there, the next thing one needs to look at is what is the rate revision that he has achieved. Is the increase due to increased rates or is it due to increased volumes or both? So, when you are analyzing a performance of one particular month, it is just not the face value of 50 crores revenues in the month of July. Are we getting it? So, there are various ways of looking at data. This type of data you have to look at, especially when you are evaluating your team members. Do you agree? You have to look at, when you are looking at human performance data, then this type of analysis becomes extremely crucial.